Good evening, one and all present here. I am Biswas, the host for this webinar. Thank you everyone for joining this session with us. The session would be on a wonderful topic, body image and self-esteem. We appreciate your presence in today's session. So let's kickstart our session. I'm hoping all is fine with everyone. So prior starting with the session, I would like to introduce my organization to you. SEMS Welfare Foundation is a non-profit organization dedicated to making a positive impact in various sectors such as education, social welfare, women empowerment, skill development and entrepreneurship, livelihood generation and employability, health research, culture, international cooperation, sports, environment protection, and other similar fields. Our mission is to foster healthy lifestyles, thriving communities, and robust businesses. By freeing our volunteer members from the burden of day to day details, we enable them to focus their energy and efforts on achieving long term goals. I would like to welcome Ms. Krishna Rajesh Dama, the speaker of today's international webinar. I, Biswas, on behalf of the SEMS Welfare Foundation, would like to give a brief introduction of our speaker. Ms. Krishna Rajesh Dama is a dedicated clinical psychologist based in Mumbai and practicing worldwide, holding an MSc degree in clinical psychology from Kingston University, London. With extensive experience in mental health, she is currently practicing at her own firm and at Believe Consultants, where she specializes in treating anxiety, depression, trauma, and stress related disorders through evidence based therapies. Previously, Krishna worked as an assistant psychologist at Protocol Education in London, supporting children and adolescents in educational settings. She also volunteered at the Royal Hospital of Neurodisability, gaining expertise in neuropsychological assessments and rehabilitation. Her journey in psychology includes interning at her bachelor days in KJ Somaiya Medical College and Hospital in Mumbai, where her passion for mental health was solidified. Ms. Krishna is committed to empowering individuals and promoting mental well-being through compassionate client-centered care, actively involved in community outreach. She aims to reduce mental health stigma and foster a holistic care and support environment for all. I, Biswas, on behalf of the SEMS Welfare Foundation, would like to give my heartiest welcome to Ms. Krishna Rajesh Dama with a huge round of applause for joining us today. Your presence has added a significance of this event, and we are genuinely honored to have you here, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the introduction. Okay, so today we are going to talk about embracing self-worth and how body image, positive body image, and self-esteem. And my name is Krishna. I'm a clinical psychologist, and the co-host has given a great introduction for me. But if you guys want to know more about me, you can just read it through for a minute, and you can always connect me personally through my email ID, LinkedIn, and my Instagram. You can see the details below. Okay. So, what are we going to do in this workshop? So basically, first we are going to understand what is body image, what is self-esteem, and what is the connection between the body image and self-esteem. So दोनों का connection क्या है? वो कैसे हमें और हमारे मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को तकलीफ दे सकता है और कैसे हमें आगे बढ़ा सकता है, उसके पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स क्या है, ये हम आज के वर्कशॉप में सीखेंगे. ऑल्सो आर यू गाइज मोर कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी? तो मैं वैसे स्विच करती रहूं और एल्स जस्ट गो इन टू इंग्लिश. इफ एनीवन कैन टेल मी, Lakshmi ji, do you want me to go in English or should I just keep switching between so it is understandable to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. You can switch whenever you feel Hindi is better, you can switch to Hindi, but English is preferable.
English is preferable? Okay, then let's
Ha,
keep it English only.
yes.
Because,
But
yeah.
some cases, if you feel that you will have to touch upon few things in Hindi, then you can do it.
Great.
Ha.
Great. Okay. Now, okay. So, अभी थोड़ा interaction, let's थोड़ी बातें करते हैं सबके साथ. So, what do you see in this picture? Can someone please tell? Unmute करके भी बोल सकते हैं. It's completely fine. What people can see? I would request the co-host also to please participate in this.
Two
What do you
women,
see in this picture?
two girls.
Two girls, okay. And वो girls में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? सब please, everyone, please participate. तो ही मजा आएगा.
Ma'am, a fat,
Sorry?
a fat and a thin girl.
It's a fat and a thin girl, okay. And
Two girls who are half smiling. It's
smiling, okay. Great observation. Also, is there something else do you guys see? Any flaws maybe or any perfection maybe? मतलब कुछ कमियां या फिर कुछ अच्छी चीजें जो आप देख सकते हो?
Both are happy with their body images.
That's great. Very nice, Jasmita. Okay. कुछ और maybe? I see someone has started their camera. Like, are you raising hand? Do you want to say something? I think it's the name Divya Kothari. Yeah. Do you want to say something?
The one girl is looks obese, and like many people said in the chat, one girl looks obese, and the second girl is thin, and obviously confident faces.
Okay. So one person has literally said about fit and obsessed, and some has said that one is obese, one is it. So basically, ये fat, skinny, perfect. One has clear skin, one has different skin. काफी charts भी लिखे हैं, confident faces and all that stuff. These are basically जो हमारे different नजरिए हैं, जो हम our society has created for us. So maybe the girl is fat, of course she is, but maybe she is healthy, and the girl who is thin, maybe she has some different disorder. It could be a back picture, it can be different wise, right? But when we see a fat girl, पहले दिमाग में वही आता है कि ओए she is obese, so she has some body issues, जैसे obsessed है या फिर ऐसे कुछ है. सो बेसिकली इस चीज को हम परसेप्शन बोलते हैं, कि हमारा एक नजरिया होता है जो कि विथ टाइम इतना बिल्डअप हो जाता है कि हम बैक पिक्चर ही नहीं देख पाते. तो नाउ अंडरस्टैंडिंग मोर अबाउट आवर बॉडीज, एंड फिर क्या होता है कि रादर देन अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी जस्ट कीप ऑन दिस. ओके, सो नाउ एक्चुअली we'll be starting with a very simple exercise. Can you guys see my screen? It's visible to everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
So can we do an exercise where I want all of you to either, अगर आप बैठना चाहे तो बैठ सकते हैं, आपको अगर घर पे हैं आप एंड आपको अगर लेट के ये एक्सरसाइज करनी है तो भी आप कर सकते हैं. whatever it is, just be very comfortable. And once again, आप अगर कैमरा स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं so मैं आपके faces देख सकूं, because it's going to contain a facial exercises also. Because in this, why are we doing this exercise is to understand our body deeply first. Because जब तक हम अपनी body नहीं सीखेंगे, how we will be able to understand what is body image apparently, right? So just be very सीट इन अ सीटेड वेरी कंफर्टेबल पोजिशन. सब लोग प्लीज बैठ जाइए जैसे आपको बैठना है. एंड अगर तो जो 2-3 लोगों ने कैमरा स्टार्ट नहीं किया वो कर सकते हैं तो इट विल बी ग्रेट, बिकॉज मुझे नाम नहीं लेने, लाइक इन स्कूल में नहीं है हम. सो ओके, एंड जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज आफ्टर दैट. ओके, and just let me know. I'm just sharing one music with you, and just let me know if that music is audible to you guys or not. Is the music audible to you guys?
No, ma'am.
The music is not audible.
Music is not audible. Okay, I don't know what for reason. Okay, we can continue without music. Okay, fine, we can continue without the music. I just want everyone to please close your eyes. Even Satpreet, all the co-hosts also, please close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes. So, okay, take a few breaths. थोड़ी धीमी धीमी गहरी गहरी सांसें लीजिए 3 बार. Just from your nose. Exhale, inhale slowly from your nose and exhale slowly from your mouth. Let's do it 3 times. Now, allow your body to exhale and allow to feel yourself, your skin. थोड़ा अपनी स्किन को, अपने हैंड्स को, अपने लेग्स पे ऐसे आप थोड़ी अपनी स्किन को फील करिए. नाउ ब्रिंग योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स योर टोज. नोटिस एनी सेंसेशंस इन योर टोज. गर्मी लग रही होगी या ठंडी लग रही है, थोड़ी टोज को हम हिलाएंगे एंड लाइक थोड़ी सेंसेशन. देन acknowledge your toes and just have gratitude that I have such pretty toes, such pretty nails, and which helps you be on your feet all day. Then slowly moving to your feet, like try to up your feet, try to make contact with the floor if you're sitting, or the surface beneath you, chadar or something. Notice any sensations that you have that tops up your feet. हम पूरे दिन हमारे फीट पे खड़े रहते हैं, पूरे दिन हमारे पैर चलाते हैं. सो बी ग्रेटफुल, से थैंक यू टू योर फीट जो आपको थकने नहीं देता. देन थोड़ा ऊपर आते हैं हमारे काव्स के पास. Focus to your ankles, to your calves. If there is any tension or any pain which you guys feel or any sensation, feel the muscles stretch. Take a moment to thank them for their strength. And bring the attention to your knees. Feel the joints in them. Feel the sensation around the joint. If you feel you can move your hands towards your joints. And don't worry, अगर आपको नींद आ रही है ये सब करते वक्त, मतलब your body is getting relaxed very nicely. तो अगर नींद भी आ रही है तो आप बिंदास बोल सकते हैं. This is a part of the process. Then let's move to our thighs. Notice the weight and the pressure where they rest. Notice our bones on our thighs. It's the most largest muscles in our body which helps in movement. So be thankful to your muscles in the thighs. Then explore your hips and pelvis area, which helps you have movement, which helps you to walk. Is if there's any tension in them, what is the tension? Understand what it is. Then coming to your stomach, focus on your abdomen and lower back. Bring awareness to them. Notice your belly. How does your belly makes you feel? Appreciate it for a moment for all the digestion that it is doing and giving nutrients to your body. Now go up and shift to your chest and upper back. Feel the expansion of your chest with each breath, the rhythm of your heartbeat. Notice the strength in your upper back supporting your posture. Acknowledge these work areas that they do day and night without stopping. Be thankful to them. Now move to your shoulders. Notice any tension that you have in your shoulders. Let it be without any judgment. Slowly move the focus to your arms, to your elbows, to your forearms, to your wrists, and finally your hands. Feel the sensations in each finger. Your arms and hands allow you to touch, hold, create, and connect with others. Take a moment to appreciate all they do for you. Now bring the attention to your neck and throat. Notice any tightness or ease. Your neck supports your head, carrying the weight of your thoughts and experiences. Your throat allows you to communicate, to express yourself. Acknowledge these areas with gratitude. Be thankful to them. Now shift your focus to your neck and throat. Shift your focus to your face. Notice the muscles around your eyes, your jaws, your mouth. Feel the air as it enters and exits through your nose. Finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head, your scalp, your face and head, where you express emotions, where you perceive the world through sight, sound, smell, and taste. Take a moment to appreciate all the ways your head connects to your environment and your experiences. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a sense of warmth and gratitude flowing through your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Imagine your body as a vessel that carries you throughout your life, deserving of kindness and care. And whenever you are ready, gently bring back your awareness to your room, wiggling your fingers and toes, perhaps stretching your arms a little, and slowly open your eyes if they have been closed, and take a moment to notice how you feel after this exploration. Everyone can open their eyes now, and I would request the host. Yeah, okay. So now I'll share my screen again. Let's continue with our workshop. Okay. Now, can everyone please tell me that you can tell in the chat box, or you can unmute what did you feel after this activity? जिन्होंने genuinely activity की, उनको क्या महसूस हुआ इसको करने के बाद? अनम्यूट करके भी बोल सकते हैं, चैट्स में भी बोल सकते हैं. Felt a bit relaxed. Okay. I felt relaxing. Okay. 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 और इस एक्टिविटी को करके आपको ऐसी फीलिंग आई कि आपको आपके बॉडी के लिए एक नया एक प्यार या एक रिस्पेक्ट या फिर ऐसा कुछ फील हुआ कि अरे ये तो कभी हमने इतना तो ध्यान ये पार्ट पे कभी दिया ही नहीं है, ऐसा किस किस को हुआ? Felt like shavasana in yoga. Okay, that's great to hear. I had a very positive feeling. Okay, yes, felt badly valued. Okay, that's great. आप नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. किसी किसी को अगर नेगेटिव थॉट्स आए हो, पॉजिटिव आए हो, वो भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज लेट्स कीप इट इंटरैक्टिव, तो ही ये वर्कशॉप से आप ज्यादा चीजें ले पाएंगे. ओके, does anyone want to share anything? अगर आप चाहे तो कैमरा बंद रख सकते हैं, बट आपको अगर बोलना हो थोड़ा डिटेल में कि एग्जैक्टली आपको क्या महसूस हुआ, आपका कोई बैड एक्सपीरियंस, ऐसी कोई पुरानी इंजरी या फिर कोई इनसिक्योरिटी बॉडी की जो आपको फील हुई हो, ऐसे बारे में आप कैमरा बंद करके भी बोल सकते हैं. इज देयर एनीवन वांट्स टू शेयर? समवन हैज अनम्यूटेड देमसेल्फ.
Okay, so during the daily course of business, basically, whenever we work and do it, but at that time we don't feel that we just get the work done, and at that time we don't feel what our bodies, what how we are able to do that particular work and how we are able to survive basically on a daily basis. But these right now, I felt basically yes, parts of the body that help me do my daily activity, and I felt thankful for that.
Great to hear, and thank you for sharing your experience, Divya. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Okay, so अब समझते हैं कि बेसिकली बॉडी इमेज होता क्या है. अभी आई एम श्योर कि ये बहुत इट्स अ वेरी वेरी नोन टर्म, एंड इट्स लाइक अ वेरी नोन टर्म ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एवरीवेयर. बट व्हाट इज एक्चुअली अ बॉडी इमेज? It's basically a perception that you yourself have for it. Like, when you see in the mirror, if a person sees in the mirror, and what he or she in himself is actually a body image, technically, if we see, people who see you and comment on you, that is basically a part of judgment. So please don't confuse it with body image. Body image बहुत सारे type के होते हैं. There is fat, there is apple body, there's pear body, and n number of types. So now coming के how बॉडी इमेज एग्जैक्टली बनती कैसे है, अब आप खुद के पर्सन की ऐसे सब. अभी इट कैन बी नेगेटिव ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द बॉडी इमेज? सबसे पहले इट बिकम्स बॉडी इमेज. अभी मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल में समझाती हूँ. आई जस्ट सॉ माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर. आई सॉ दैट ओके, आई हैव अ रियली गुड स्किन, I am good at this, but okay, my pores are too big, or my hands are too big. I have a curvy body, I have a fat body, and then my perception begins. Either I will think myself as a positive perception or a negative perception. And then what happens is, then it becomes an affective in your mind. Affective मतलब उसमें फिर influence and emotions add on हो जाते हैं, जो कि हमें दिखाता है कि ओके, मेरा पेट बहुत ज्यादा है, मेरा ये बहुत ज्यादा है, एंड दिस हम फिर उसे ही कॉन्शियस बना देते हैं. देन इट गोज इनटू आवर कॉग्निशन, एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग द सेंसरी सीज, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू सी नेक्स्ट टाइम इन योर मिरर इज दैट flaw that you have, and that determines your body image. Then it will lead to a behavioral action which can be a positive or negative. So suppose if you see yourself as fat, it can either become a negative, and you'll start eating much because you want to suppress that emotion in yourself. एंड आप खाते रहोगे, फिर रात को भूख लगेगी, रात को भी खाएंगे. when just keep on eating, and that will soon turn in a mental health disorder of binge eating or night eating, or anorexia nervosa or something like that. But if you are positive, it might help you in leading a healthy lifestyle also. So the cognition after in the components of body image, it helps a lot in actually leading a healthy life. Now, how does self-esteem comes in the picture? So that's a different, because body image and self-esteem are a different topics, but how do they, like, वो कैसे पिक्चर में दोनों connected है? Now let's understand that. So firstly, let's understand what is self-confidence, self-worth, self-acceptance. ये सब, these are all the words which you guys have heard, understood from many people, but these are a part of self-esteem, and these are not self-esteem. Self-esteem when you are overall, you have a personal value. It reflects how you appreciate yourself regardless of any circumstances. Like if I have a positive self-esteem, it is going to help me, and it is going to create a very healthy mindset. But if you have a negative self-esteem, it is always going to go into low confidence, negative thoughts, which will lead to depression, anxiety, worthlessness, and all such cases. Okay. Now, before going to the next slide, मुझे ये जानना है कि कितने लोगों को अपने बॉडी में ऐसी कोई फ्लॉ है जो, मतलब अब हम बोलते हैं ना कि अरे मैं तो, शादी आ रही है, पेट मेरे को कम करना है. There's a wedding coming up and I want to reduce something. There's a birthday coming up, I want to look fab, I am going to go do this treatment, that treatment. Like, how many of you have gone through this? Can someone please share? You can share it in the chat box also. Okay, someone has written me. Okay. So many people do go through that, right? And then how do you guys come up with, like, how do you guys, like, why do you guys see that there's a flaw in yourselves? आपको क्यों लगता है कि आप में ये चीज की कमी है, या आप इस ये चीज से आपका मतलब आप खराब दिख रहे हो, या ऐसा सब हो रहा है, आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do you feel like that? Like, why do you see a flaw in yourself? What is the reason?
It might be because it has been picturized in our mind that a man should have a proper full-fledged six packs and abs, and a girl should be like this and like that. She should be dressed like this, and it is all about others' perception that we imbibe in ourselves.
Great,
So
great. Very,
that's why.
very
But
nicely you
but
mentioned
after
that.
after a certain point of time, you don't actually feel affected by those things. Like I don't feel affected by those things right now. If
That
मेरा पेट बाहर आ रहा तो आने दो.
completely, that's nice. Okay, someone in the chat has written that sometimes people don't expect us less fashionable. Yeah, it's right. But I want to genuinely have a discussion, and I think we have some time also. Okay, आप अपने जो दूसरों की expectations है, the expectations that people have of your, like, on you, why do you let it, get ahead of you? Like, why do you let it, कि उस, अगर मुझे कोई लोग बोलते हैं कि अगर एक लड़के को सिक्स पैक्स एब्स होना बहुत जरूरी है, तो फिर उसे हम दिमाग में लेते ही क्यों है? कभी हैव यू गाइस थॉट अबाउट इट? कैन एनीवन शेयर? अगर हम तैयार होते ही हैं फॉर गर्ल्स, लाइक, अगर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अ वेडिंग, अ गर्ल इज सपोज टू वेयर मेकअप. बिना मेकअप के यू कैन नॉट गो टू अ वेडिंग. आई थिंक ऑल द गर्ल्स यूर विल अग्री. सो हैव यू गाइस एवर थॉट अबाउट इट कि ये हमें क्यों करना जरूरी है, और ये हम क्यों अपने आप को ही उतार रहे हैं, या अपने आप के कॉन्फिडेंस को ही क्यों मार रहे हैं? आपके साथ ये सब कभी हुआ है कि मैं ये लड़कियां बोलेंगी नहीं, मैं ये साड़ी नहीं पहनूंगी, मैं ड्रेस पहनूंगी, लाइक, आई डोंट वांट दिस टू हैपन, लाइक, इवन few doctors I have seen, doctors will like be like, no, I can't wear this shirt, I look very fat in this shirt, even being a doctor. So have you guys have you gone through this? Is there any incident you guys would like to share? कोई ऐसा कोई किस्सा या ऐसी कोई बात कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा? आप चैट्स में भी लिख सकते हो अगर आप बोलने में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो. एंड गाइज, इट विल बी रियली ग्रेट के थोड़ा आप इंटरेक्शन थोड़ा शेयर करिए, बिकॉज इट इज अ जेन्युइनली सेफ स्पेस. आप जो भी यहाँ पे आज बोलेंगे, ये बाहर बात नहीं जाने वाली, एंड इट्स अ वेरी सेफ स्पेस. वॉट एवर यू गाइज विल बी शेयरिंग टुडे, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गो आउटसाइड. इट इज गोइंग टू बी जस्ट बिटवीन ऑल दीज पीपल, एंड no one is going to judge you here. So please have a little bit interaction, because that is how you will understand what this thing is. If
Hello,
you
madam.
are not, yeah, please say.
I'm in teaching profession. So if the personality is good, means fitness, then the attention towards me by the
Hmm.
students will be more.
Hmm.
But if I do not maintain the fitness, then alternatively the perspective of the students will goes down, and all these matters also.
And sir, who has made you think like this, that your personality and your like your posture and your physique matters most for students? How did you come up to this perception?
Not most, but on we can say that maintaining ourselves is good, because it is also related to the students' well-being, because we can say, or the
Okay, maintaining ourselves is very important. You're right, sir. But as you said that the students will only reciprocate to you if you have a right physique, then that is a little bit, don't you think that sentence should be framed a little bit differently? Because in our societies, because अगर एक टीचर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता होगा, तो स्टूडेंट्स वोंट सी ना कि वो मोटा है, पतला है, या कैसा भी है. उसको तो उसके पढ़ाई से और उसके मार्क्स से ज्यादा मैटर करेगा ना, बिकॉज द टीचर्स actually role is to support the students. So Kulkarni,
yes, madam. But at the college level, when we are teaching, so
right,
college life students
yeah,
like most of the
right,
person who has the great personality.
right,
So their attention towards the such type of teachers who maintain their personal life as well,
right.
rather than his knowledge.
So thank you, Kulkarni sir, for sharing it. It was really valuable, and you are right. Like, sometimes what happens that you feel confident, like, after dressing up or after looking a certain way, but sometimes that can बैक लीव ऑल्सो, लाइक हमारे जो परसेप्शन है, हमारा जो दिमाग है, उसमें एग्जैक्टली ये सब थॉट्स डालता कौन है? हैव यू थॉट अबाउट इट? कि मतलब हमें ये सर्टेन वे में ही लुकना चाहिए. If we are dressed up in a certain way, we should feel confident like this. If we are, if a girl is slim, you are beautiful, I am more confident if I lose some weight. Guy feels more only confident after he has hair on his head, or he has six pack abs. Why do we have such perception, and who are responsible for this perception? Let's talk about it.
Our thinking is the main perception behind all this,
Yeah.
on the side of teachers as well as the students also.
Yes, you're
Because
right.
it is directly related to our mental well-being also. So if we think to be the positive or in a such a way that we are confident, so there is no need to show up the things through your fitness or anything else.
Yeah, you're right. And also, now let's talk about it. Kulkarni sir has mentioned a very nice detail about it. And now let's go deep into it. So, Abhi, let's understand what are the factors that influence body image and, self-esteem. So, not able to, yeah, okay. So, what are the factors? So, firstly, social comparison. Abhi, social comparisons, what are social comparisons? Kisi ko idea hai what are social comparisons? Anyone would want to explain it? Or shall I continue? Okay, I'll continue. So social comparisons. मैं बहुत एक simple example में I'll explain it to you. When we go out with friends, okay, everyone goes out with friends either once in a month or once in a week, everything. When we go, we have a friend, we'll always compare ourselves to them. कि अरे यार इसके तो बाल कितने अच्छे हैं. She has got such a beautiful skin. Oh man, she has such a beautiful body, to carry out that dress. And oh, I love that guy's watch. Like, I wish I had that watch. It would have made me feel so confident and poised and everything. Please raise your hands. Jin ko bhi ye feeling aayi ho with a friend or with a relative or with anyone, maybe a stranger also. Please, किस को ऐसी feelings आती हैं? Okay, Biswa, there are many people who have raised hands. You can mention also. Okay. So जिन लोगों ने हाथ उठाया है, आपको exactly क्या feeling आती है? What exactly do you feel? Nandini Bhatt, could you please share? You can share on chats also, Nandini, if you're not comfortable speaking. It's fine. Nandini, she's written on the chats that people itself. Okay, someone has unmuted themselves. Does anyone wants to speak? Biswas, can you check someone has unmuted themselves?
Three are unmuted. Ashish Gupta, B. Subhash.
Yeah, so like, do they want to speak? या फिर उनकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है? Can you just check? Or else we can continue forward.
I think we should continue because they might be
Okay.
having some issues.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you
Then
can
we'll
continue.
continue. Okay.
हाँ.
So social comparisons, reason number 1 कि why हमारी body image और हमारी self esteem होती है. So जब हम negative सोच रहे हैं कि okay, she is more beautiful than me or he is more handsome than me, then हमारा self esteem भी नीचे जाता है. It is this and this ratio. So first is social comparison. Second, media. So media, how does it happen? Like everyone must be on Facebook, Instagram और movies तो everyone सब देखते ही होंगे. जब हम मूवी देखने जाते हैं, द फर्स्ट थिंग वी सी इज, ओ माय गॉड, मतलब लुक एट दिस. इवन एट द एज ऑफ 60, लाइक Neena Gupta, Rekha, she looks so fabulous. And we see us at the age of 25 also, हमारा पेट निकला हुआ है, हमारे बाल चले गए हैं. And oh my god, मेरी तो मतलब नाक भी कितनी टेढ़ी है, ये है, वो है. Like nowadays, all the generation, especially the younger generation or the people who are born after 90, they have a tendency to compare themselves to heroines and everyone. And then what happens is that they feel bad about their own selves. Well, the heroines and the actors, they're getting paid to look that certain way. They are going to the professional doctors and everyone. And we hear, hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So, and what happens is that we just, compare us to themselves. And then what happens कि हमारा low confidence हो जाता है, हम बहुत overthinking करने लग जाते हैं. Someone has written, ma'am, when we lack in something or want that feeling, just start. Yes, we start feeling like this. Nandini Bhatt is completely right that we start feeling like this. We just start, thinking low about own self only, that, we are not beautiful, हम अच्छे नहीं दिखते, we don't like looking ourselves in the mirror. And then all those thoughts will lead you to a genuine mental मेंटल हेल्थ डिसऑर्डर लाइक डिप्रेशन और बॉडी इमेज डिस्मॉर्फिया। ये सुनने में बहुत हाई वर्ड्स हैं और ये बहुत गहरी और डिफिकल्ट चीजें हैं, बट ये सब ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजों से ही शुरू होती है। दैट इज हाउ योर ओवर थिंकिंग स्टार्ट्स। सो मीडिया इज सपोज टू बी केप्ट एज अ मीडिया से इफ यू वांट टू genuinely take good things from media, take kind things from media like helping animals, or take पॉजिटिविटी और मोटिवेशन कि हाँ वो पर्सन या हीरो हीरोइन कितना फिट है, लेट्स बी फिट, बट अपने आप को उतार के और एल्स डाउनिंग आवरसेल्व्स इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन फॉर इट। इफ यू वांट टू टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम समवन, टेक इट इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव स्पिन। थर्ड कम्स, नाउ लेट्स गो टू द अदर फैक्टर व्हिच इज सोसाइटी। अभी it is very bad to say, but if you are going, any relative will come up to you and say in any one of the function कि अरे यार कितने मोटे हो गए हो, अरे कितनी पतली हो गई हो, खाना नहीं मिलता। किन किन के साथ ये हुआ है? प्लीज प्लीज बी वेरी श्योर। अब हंस प्लीज चैट्स पे मुझे बोलना। आई एम श्योर हर किसी ने ये डायलॉग लाइफ में सुना रहेगा। कोई भी फंक्शन में जाते हैं, मामा मासी वासी कोई ना कोई बोलेंगे ही। या सी देयर आर सो मेनी yeses I am getting here. I am sure Biswas also laughed a little, so I'm sure Biswas has gone through this also. I can see on his face. Right? Isn't it true? It's true, right? The society only also makes us feel so bad about ourselves. Don't you think? Yeah, is it? Society always will tell us, okay, okay. Society will tell us, why are you dressed in certain way? Why are you looking at a certain way? Like our relatives, our friends, sometimes people will mock you also, because you have certain way and all that stuff. And that also, this also leads us to negative factor, and it is going to work on your self-esteem also. Like your body image। और फिर क्या होता है कि जब सोसाइटी बोलती है, हम बहुत हार्श डाइट्स पे चले जाते हैं या फिर बहुत दिल पे बात ले लेते हैं और फिर खाना बंद कर देते, विच विल लीड टू अ वेरी लो सेल्फ एस्टीम एंड अ लो पर्सनल बॉडी एंड अ कॉन्फिडेंट बॉडी। डोंट you guys think it will, right? Then for this, the fourth factor which will influence family upbringing and background. So this might be very personal and very different for everybody because not all families are like that. But normally the family upbringing and background is seen in families who are from model background or doctor backgrounds or something like that, where they want their kids to look in a certain way. Like especially mothers, mothers जो कि बोलेंगी कि उनकी daughters एक certain way में दिखनी चाहिए। Like if I am in this certain way, my daughter should look in a certain way. So ये family upbringing and background might not be relatable to everyone, but this is a factor which influences your body image and self-esteem also. And then negative cognitive bias. This happens many a times कि you are genuinely very good looking, but हम कोई भी हमें compliment करता है ना, तो we will think कि no, just बोलने के लिए this person is saying because I'm not a good looking person. Who feels like that? Everyone from here who feels like that? Okay, when you take a compliment, but you will just take it in a negative way, that it is just this person is lying, I don't look like nice, or I am not this, मेरा तो tone निकला हुआ है and all this, and then you'll lower your self-esteem. Who feels like that? It will lower your self-confidence also. Can someone share chats or anything? Who feels like that? Who takes everything in a negative cognitive biasness way? Guys, नींद आ रही है? अगर नींद आ रही है तो guys can have coffee. Yes ma'am. Okay, someone has written yes ma'am. Okay, me, okay, the feeling just starts, right? So everyone feels like that. Anyone appreciates me and I feel they are just making fun of me. Okay, yeah, this is also a very common feeling that we have. I think everyone feels like this कि even if someone is appreciating you, हंस के बात कर दी, but लगेगा कि अरे ये तो मेरा मजाक ही उड़ा रहा है, कि मेरे बॉडी के ये पार्ट का मजाक उड़ा रहा है। Especially boys, मतलब there are some boys जिनकी genetic, yeah exactly, Shikha also just I've got this, yeah right, because there are some boys जिनके genetic ही बाल कम होते हैं, so हम ऐसे ही प्यार से उनको बोलेंगे कि अरे आज तेरे बाल दिख रहे हैं, and they feel that they are making fun of it. Boys do feel those things, not only girls, and these all factors, but ये सब और these factors will affect us. And then sixth is looking down on your own self. जब हम खुद अपने आप पे खराब तरीके से देखते हैं, we ask own selves, we are like, when you see, okay, I'm not looking, I just want to don't do this. So this is the factor which influences our body image, our self-esteem, everything. Okay, and now talking about the consequences of it. Consequences is negative self-talk. हम पूरे नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं, we start becoming irritable, we start becoming we start crying easily, बहुत जल्दी रोना आ जाता है, or else, we just don't like, then we start avoiding going to public places. We don't go to meet those friends. We stop going to weddings. Like most of the generation will be like, first thing, we are not going to that wedding. We are not going with that cousins. Then that happens. फिर क्या होता है कि हम बहुत डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं किसी और के वैलिडेशन के लिए. We'll keep on asking our husbands, our boyfriends, our girlfriends कि या फिर our parents कि हम को अभी सपोज आप तैयार हुए हो, बट आप दूसरों पे डिपेंड कर जाओगे कि नहीं, ये लोग तारीफ करेंगे तो ही मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ. My husband will tell, don't only I'm looking nice, or my wife will tell, don't only I'm looking nice. This is all the problem that we start having. Then we have mental health issues. We start feeling shameful about ourselves. Then we start feeling guilty कि अरे यार इतना वजन बढ़ गया. I feel guilt about it. And then what happens is that वो guilt के चक्कर में we start eating more, which will lead to more obesity, which will lead to more weight gain, or we'll stop eating, which will lead to malnourishment. And then all these will lead to severe mental health issues, which can lead to very chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and like stress, tension, and so much. Now what if अगर हमें ये सब अभी ये सब से बचे कैसे? That is the thing. राइट अभी ये सब यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि अरे इतना सब बोला है बट इसमें से बाहर कैसे आए, राइट? बट सी the thing is कि these are all generic terms which normally every person goes through, but when we come to your own thing, we have to sit and talk, and you have to go through everything alone. But what if but keeping on the factor sides, जो at least जो media है, जो social factors है, जो society factors है, what if we stop working on that? I'll give you the solution in a very simple example, in a very simple statement, and I'll give it in both Hindi and English for people to understand. Suppose just imagine I have a pen in my hand, okay? I have this phone in my hand, okay guys? अगर मैंने ये phone आपको दिया, ओके अगर मैंने ये फोन आपको दिया और आपने लिया, तो ये फोन किसके पास आया? आंसर्स चैट्स में लिखो सो आई अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ लोग जाग रहे हैं. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, अगर मैंने ये फोन आप लोगों को दिया एंड आपने लिया, तो ये फोन किसके पास आएगा?
हमारे पास.
आपके पास, राइट. और अगर मैंने ये फोन आपको दिया, वापस बोल रही हूँ, अगर मैंने ये आपको फोन दिया लेकिन आपने अगर ये फोन नहीं लिया, तो ये फोन किसके पास? मेरे पास, राइट. तो वैसे ही अगर जो ये नेगेटिव बातें हैं, जो सब सोशल मीडिया के और मीडिया के सब जो चीजें हैं, जो भी नेगेटिविटी है, सोसाइटी की बातें, जो लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं, जो ये सब चीजें जो हमें खराब फील कराती हैं हमारे बॉडी को लेके और हमारे सेल्फ एस्टीम को लेके, ये बातें तो आने वाली, लेकिन अगर हम उन्हें अपने पर ना लें तो वो हमारे पास तो आई ही नहीं ना, वो सामने वाले इंसान के पास ही रह गई ना, लाइक फोन. तो डोंट यू थिंक इट इज जस्ट अ वेरी सिंपल एंड सुपर्ब सोल्यूशन टू ऑल आवर प्रॉब्लम्स कि हमें हमारा पर लेना बंद कर देना है, बस दैट्स इट, उनके पास ही रहने देना है. डोंट यू थिंक? यस मैम, या एग्जैक्टली. सी फंडा समझ आया सबको? डोंट यू थिंक अबाउट इट? सो व्हाट इफ, सो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि बस इतनी एक छोटी सी लाइफ में पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, बस इतनी सी पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, लाइक 1% पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट अगर हम बना देंगे, तो don't you think all these problems will just start vanishing, right? Okay, so now we are going to a very simple activity, okay? And ये activity अभी I am once again saying कि please start your camera, but for people who haven't started, if you can do great, because I really want to see this your faces when you guys say this, so I would really request you guys to start the camera if you can. Okay, so now we are going to do one more activity where we are going to say this statement, okay? For girls you can go with beautiful, and for boys you can go with handsome, and अगर अनम्यूट करके बोलना है तो भी चलेगा. लेट एवरीवन हियर योर थॉट्स, ओके? आई वांट एवरीवन टू अनम्यूट देमसेल्व्स, ओके? एवरीवन टू अनम्यूट देमसेल्व्स एंड प्लीज स्टार्ट योर कैमरा इफ यू कैन. It's fine if there will be a hassle for some time, but it's fine. I'm sure Lakshmi ji डांटेंगी नहीं किसी को भी. So please unmute your cameras and your microphones also. Let's say it a very loud and positive way. Okay, Biswas, can you unmute yourself also?
Yes, ma'am. Unmuted, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, everyone, unmute yourself, and everyone, please start your cameras, and then जोर से let's say 3 बार, okay? Let's say 3 times, okay? That I am beautiful / handsome, whatever you guys want, and I love the way I am, okay? Okay, जोर से, let's just speak very loudly, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's start, ठीक है? चलो, I am beautiful, and I love the way I am.
I am handsome and I love the way I am.
Beautiful,
Yeah,
handsome, and
okay.
I love
Once,
the
then
way I
second.
am, and I love the way I am.
Okay.
I am
Third,
handsome and I love the way I am. I am handsome and I love the way I am.
great, great. अभी इतना सिर्फ लाइन बोल के आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Let me know. चैट्स में भी बता सकते हो. बस इतनी सी एक छोटी लाइन बोल के आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
Happy.
Energetic.
Sorry?
Some and encouraging.
Yeah, you felt great. Okay. You can say in the chat box also, those who are not comfortable talking in this. How did you feel just after saying this one line?
Confident.
Excellent. Great. Thoda 1% also encouraging. Great. I think 1% also positivity you guys must have felt about your body and your self-esteem, right? Self-satisfaction. Great. Excellent presentation indeed. Thank you so much.
Steve.
Yeah. Please say someone was saying. Okay, chalo. Now I'll go ahead. Okay, so how to overcome this? So these are some ideas, some solutions that I have mentioned in the PPT. And if you guys can practice this, it will be great. First is practicing body neutrality. Matlab not comparing yourself to everyone and just be body neutral with everyone. Then creating healthy boundaries with the media. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि try and take the positive side of it and not compare yourself with it, and also surround yourself with positive influences. Engage in activities that actually build your confidence rather than scrolling on Instagram or सब फालतू जो रहते हैं ना कि इससे ये होगा ये सब चीजों के जो बनावटी चीजें हैं इसमें आने के बावजूद actually focus on things which will help you either go for a walk, either go for a run, do yoga or something like that which will actually help you, and जो वो cycle है negative cycle उसको तोड़ेगा वो. Then engage in activities, then seek professional help when needed. Yes, this is very important guys कि whenever you feel कि नहीं अभी ये सब जेनेरिक चीजों से मेरी मदद नहीं हो रही है, प्लीज गो टू अ clinical psychologist or a psychiatrist and please take help, because do not take body image, low self esteem or anything हल्के में please मत लीजिए. Don't take it in light way, because this can lead to severe mental health disorders where you need professional help, and there is no shame in asking for help. I know our society has a lot of stigma related to mental health, but it's completely fine, and go and ask for help rather than it's too late. Okay, and I have a homework activity for you guys जो कि I would really love कि अगर आप करेंगे. I know हम वर्कशॉप में टाइम लिमिट्स हैं and हम शेयर नहीं कर पाएंगे, but I'm always available to connect personally on LinkedIn और everything. तो प्लीज ये होमवर्क करिएगा and प्लीज मेरे साथ शेयर करिएगा, and you can share with SEMS India also. They'll forward it to me as well. So that takeaway is कि आपको एक लेटर लिखना है about body positivity. You have to write a letter expressing yourself, whatever you feel, your self love, appreciation, or just tell yourself what you want to in that letter. Please आज रात को करिएगा. Trust me, you will be amazed with the results. आपको खुद को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You yourself will feel very good. Do this activity okay. So I think we are at the end of the session. Is there anyone, any questions? I think we can have a question round now. Okay, someone has written very informative and interesting session. Thank you. Also, if there are any questions, please ask. Let's go for question answers now.
Thank you, ma'am. So, on behalf of the SEMS organizing committee, I would like to express my hearty vote of thanks to our excellent speaker, Ms. Krishna Rajesh Dana. Today, we got an opportunity to listen to an interesting and thought-provoking discussion on body image and self-esteem. The amount of expertise and passion displayed by Ms. Krishna really enhanced our idea of body imaging and self-esteem. Ms. Krishna skillfully imparted her knowledge, leaving us with the insightful conclusion and motivational concept. Her interesting presentation captured our attention and motivated us to learn more. We appreciate the effort they put into preparing this enlightening session. So thank you very much, ma'am.